Ever wonder where? Wonder about a place where backyards are Tom Weiskopf fairways by summer and Mother Nature wonderlands by winter? Where you can cast a line 1 minute and make a splash in the pool the next. Where there's a table with the perfect outlook on life and a dinner that puts the finishing touch to an amazing day. Where neighbors include deer, eagles, hawks, and the occasional wayward bear. There's a legendary lake known as Tahoe, just 15, maybe 20 minutes down the road. A spa that leaves you feeling worlds away, and stretches of green where seldom is heard a discouraging word. If you've ever wondered whether there's a place where dreams and reality coexist, well, now you know. This is Lahontan. This is where the story gets good.